Hey guys, sorry for the bad audio, but in the parking lot and we're doing some basic maintenance on the E36, mostly just making the car look pretty again. I lost these bumper strips a long time ago on the track, and well, I got sent a bunch of parts from URO. Part numbers are here, here, and here. And we're gonna get these impact strips put back on the car to pretty it up again. This one is actually an older URO bumper strip, and as you can tell, I've had this thing on the car for probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now. No fading compared to the OEM ones, so I do think these are good quality and I have no problem trusting URO with these parts. So let's get them installed. As you can see, super easy snapping procedure, and finally completes the front of the car up again, so it doesn't look like a hoopty or as much as a hoopty anymore. The next thing I want to do is URO also sent me the 2 bumpers for this secondary air solenoid. As you can tell, I've had this thing zip tied up for a long time and it's been broken for a long time, so we're finally going to get these things replaced. So let's get at it. URO part number is this guy right here. Just need 2 of those. And well, there you have it. Nice and complete again. So, again, everything done with URO parts. For these plastic and rubber pieces, I trust for sure. Don't have any issue with it. And thank you guys for watching this quick little E36 update.